How to disconnect PayPal from Wix. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Wix account. And on the left side, you will see your options. You just have to scroll down and look for settings. Okay, so once you locate settings, you have to tap this one and it will take you directly to this. Under general, you have different options here, but you have to locate accept payments, which is this one. Tap this. And then here, what you want to do is you can see here different payment methods. And as you can see, my PayPal is connected or linked to my Wix account. So to disconnect this one, all I have to do is to click manage. And then here I can see now the option that says disconnect PayPal. So I tap this one. And as you can see here, disconnect PayPal. This means your customers won't be able to pay for your products or services. You can keep PayPal connected or you can click disconnect. Everything is up to you, but for this tutorial, we have to disconnect our PayPal from Wix. So as you can see, you have disconnected PayPal. But don't worry if you want to connect this one again. All you have to do is to click connect and then enter some information here, your email address, and then click connect and link your PayPal to your Wix. It's easy to link your PayPal to your Wix because it will just take you directly to your PayPal account, and all you have to do is to enter your email address, and once then you can now go back to your Wix and see your PayPal has been connected to your Wix, same as you disconnect your PayPal from your Wix. All you have to do is to click this disconnect PayPal, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.